How to make a brochure on Google Docs. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Docs on your device. Click on File, scroll all the way down till you find Page Setup. Click on Page Setup. Then make sure orientation is in landscape and margin is 0.5 in top, bottom, left, and right. After that, simply press on OK and you're good to go in here. Then simply go to Format and then click on Column. Make column, choose column. After that, add your picture and text. Then simply go to File, then click on Download. Download in PDF form. After that, open your PDF. Then click on Print. After you click on Print, you'll see More Settings option. This is not available in my device, but simply you will see Duplex Printing. In that, make sure you click on Print on two sides, flip on Short H. Make sure you click that and then click on OK and print it out. And that's how you make a brochure on Google Docs. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.